Hi guys, Miss Najay had a really great question. She is now using her computer, as we all are, much more often, and she has her classroom set up kind of like I do, where the computer's in the front and the kids are behind you. So if you're looking at the computer, you can't look at the kids. So she was wondering a way to move around everything. Before you go moving the whole desk over, I wanted to show you an extension that'll let you control your computer, that's your desktop, or even the new laptops from an old Chromebook. Now the system is not it's not perfect. Um, it'll get glitchy sometimes, but let me just show you what you can do. First, we got to go to extensions to get the extension to do this. I'm sorry. Google Chrome extension. Okay, so it's called Chrome Remote Desktop. Let me make sure this is the right one. Oh, I can't see who published that one. All right, I think it's the first one. I'll just go ahead. Oh, it's technically an add-on. Oh, I already have it. I forgot I did this a while ago. Okay, so remote desktop. Oopsie. You know what? I'm going to remove it so that I can reinstall it to show you what it looks like. Okay. So we click on add-on extension. Good. It's added in. You see the little picture. It'll be up in this corner when you put it in. But oh, it's not an extension. It's an add-on. So, oh, move my camera angle. After you pin it, it'll be up here. Let me see if I can unpin it. No, okay. So let us set up the remote access now. Down here, it's downloading the file. Should have made this better. Would you like to install? Oh, I gotta move my phone. Install. Install. Call your computer whatever you want. New laptop. You can do this on your desktop or your laptop. Just make any code you want. Oh, 6 digits. Ah. All right, so I have my new laptop going. All right, now I did not bring my Chromebook today, but you can use your cell phone. And as a matter of fact, I would recommend you use your cell phone because it's really cool to walk around with your cell phone. And I'm sorry, if you have an Android phone. I don't know if you can do it with iPhone. It just walk around. It's less to carry around. But anyways, you go to the App Store, Chrome Remote Desktop, install it. When you see it, it'll be on the list. Just remember your PIN. And then there's a button that says don't ask me the code again. All right, so now I'm over here. Now I'm controlling my mouse. And remember, this is connected to your projector, so anything you do here gets projected over there. Let's go over to, I don't know what you use. Let me just click on one of these. Moving over to Duolingo. Or what else do you guys use? Oh, your MyStar stuff? MyStar. Problems with this. The keyboard function on your phone isn't going to be good, but if you use your Chromebook, it will be. And again, this is a way you can walk around, keep your eyes on the kids, and still control the projector and what they're seeing. Thank you so much for your time.